Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is besides. It's a B2 level preposition that means in addition to, apart from. So, what exactly does besides mean? Well, it indicates something is included with or is separate from something else. It adds an extra element to the discussion, almost like saying on top of that, or anyway. We often use it to introduce an additional reason or point. For instance, if you're listing reasons why you don't want to go to a party, you might say, I'm tired, and besides, I don't really know anyone there. Let's explore some synonyms for besides. One good synonym is in addition to. For example, you could say, in addition to her acting skills, she's also a talented singer. Another synonym is as well as. We can say, he speaks French as well as English. We also have furthermore, which sounds a bit more formal. You could say, the product is effective. Furthermore, it is also affordable. Another synonym is moreover. You could say, the plan is cost-effective. Moreover, it is environmentally friendly. We can use apart from as a synonym, although it can sometimes mean except for, so context is key. Example, apart from a few scratches, the car is in perfect condition. Now, let's delve into some antonyms, words that mean the opposite or convey a contrasting idea. A good antonym for besides is instead of. For example, instead of going to the beach, we decided to visit the museum. Another antonym is rather than. You could say, rather than complain, try to find a solution. We can also use only. Example, only the selected students will be participating in the competition. Another antonym is excluding. Example, excluding the cost of flights, the trip was quite affordable. You can use without including as an antonym. Example, without including tax, the total cost is $20. So how can we use besides in everyday life? Well, it's incredibly versatile. Imagine you're at a restaurant and someone asks, are you having the soup? You could reply, no, besides, I'm not very hungry. Or perhaps you're discussing travel plans. You could say, besides the beautiful beaches, the island also has amazing hiking trails. If someone's persuading you to do something, you could respond, I don't have time, and besides, I don't really want to. It's perfect for adding extra information. Let's try some more usage examples. I don't want to go to the party. Besides, I have a lot of work to do. She is intelligent and kind. Besides, she has a great sense of humor. Besides being a good student, he is also a talented athlete. The house is beautiful and has a large garden. Besides, it is in a safe neighborhood. Besides her salary, she also receives a bonus each month. I can't afford that dress. Besides, it doesn't really suit me. Besides English, she speaks Spanish and French fluently. We need to finish this project by Friday. Besides, the client is expecting it. He is not only good at his job, but besides, he is a great team player. The weather is terrible. Besides, I have a headache. I don't feel like going out tonight. Besides, I'm saving money. She can play the piano and the guitar. Besides, she sings beautifully. He's not qualified for the job, and besides, he doesn't seem very enthusiastic. The restaurant is too expensive. Besides, the food isn't that good. We should take the train. Besides, it's more environmentally friendly than driving. Let's recap. Besides is a B2 level preposition that means in addition to, apart from. We learned synonyms like in addition to, as well as furthermore, moreover, and apart from. We also explored antonyms like instead of, rather than, only, excluding, and without including. And we saw how to use besides in everyday conversations to add extra information or reasons. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word besides helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using besides and share it as a comment under the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!